Hello everyone, I am Bogdan and this is how you can clean the throttle body on the BMW F10 530D. Many of you might already know the EGR, the throttle body, the SwirlFlaps, and the intake itself will be things that you should clean on an older diesel. BMW from a construction point of view will allow you to do these jobs without touching the high pressure fuel system. And this is a very big advantage. This is a very big advantage because you are able to do this type of work at home without any fancy tools. So before attempting to do such a job, get some petrol, get a brush, get quite a few gloves. From a tool point of view, we will be needing a small metric socket, H7 Allen, and we are okay to attempt to remove the throttle body. A multi-tool will also be very useful, and my recommendation of tools will be in the description. Now let's get dirty. We start by removing the air filter and the air ducts. We disconnect and we move out of the way the charge pipe. Now we will be undoing three Allen bolts for the throttle body. We disconnect the coupler and the part is ready to come out. Looking back, this is my throttle body at 106,000 miles and it doesn't look that bad. The same part on an Audi A4 B8 looked far worse. For the cleaning side of things, first I start with mechanically scraping the big parts, and after that chemically cleaning with the petrol and the brush the rest of the metallic parts. Also, on this type of electric actuator, I like to take off the plastic cover, look at the gearing inside, clean the parts that I'm able to clean, and also spray a little bit of WD-40 on the plastic gearing. Now don't go crazy and spray WD-40 everywhere. Take your time, clean everything, reassemble the parts, and you should be okay for many more miles.